Hey guys, this is a little Mother's Day shout out for my mom. Uh, this song I think has words that are relatable for anyone who has someone in their life that they just can't imagine living without. And for me, that's definitely my mom. I owe everything to her, my success, my failures, my opportunities. So thanks, Mom. And thanks to my friend Michael for letting me use his sweet mic for this song. Like a bird without wings that longs to be flying, like a motherless child left lonely and crying, like a song without words, like a world without music. I wouldn't know what to do, I'd be lost without you watching over me. I get so lonely when you're away. I count every moment, I wait every day until you're home again and hug me so tight. That's when I know everything is alright. Like a bird without wings that longs to be flying, like a motherless child left lonely and crying, like a song without words, like a world without music. I wouldn't know what to do, I'd be lost without you watching over me. You're my guardian angel, my light and my guide. Your hand on my shoulder, and you by my side. You make everything beautiful, you make me complete. Everything in my world I lay at your feet. Like a church with no steeple, where a bell never rings, in a town without people, where no voice in the choir ever sings. If a boat on the ocean would be lost with no sail, then without your devotion, surely all that I dream of would fail. Like a song without words, like a world without music. I wouldn't know what to do, I'd be lost without you watching over me. I wouldn't know what to do, I'd be lost without you watching over me.